I'm about to be on. Been on this mission since I first left home. Packed up my bags like nigga, I'm grown. Told myself to show myself to do no wrongs. Like, I'm about to be on. Been on this mission since I first left home. Packed up my bags like nigga, I'm grown.
Okay YouTube, what's up? My name is Galen and this is Galen's Gadgets. I want to thank you so much for joining my channel today. If you have not already, please do not forget to like and subscribe. So today, as you can see, I have the ITSKINS Spectrum Clear Case. I got this for my Moto G Stylus 2021 just because I really like the design of the Moto G Stylus. As you can see right now, it is in the speaking case that I have. This speaking case is pretty awesome in terms of functionality. It's really thin and it really feels like it protects your phone, but I just really love the design and color of this Moto G Stylus. So originally I did want a clear case. There weren't many cases online on Amazon at the time where I ordered the speaking case. I just really wanted something to protect my phone, but right now I'm just picking up something with my preference, which is a clear case. So this was one of the only cases there still are not a lot of cases for this 2021 version of the Moto G Stylus, so I decided to pick this one up. It was around $20. I will leave an Amazon link in the description. I'm just going to go over what's on the box now. As you can see, the ITSKIN branding, it looks like it has 3 meter and 10 feet drop protection. It says engineered with HE extra, not sure what that means. Let's see what that says right there. Antimicrobial defense, so should help against some bacteria. Shock absorbent, has raised corners. It stays clear longer, so they claim it won't yellow that quickly. Again, this is the Spectrum Clear for the Moto G Stylus 2021. It says it's Motorola made, I guess. So I don't know if they're partnered with Motorola. ITSKINS, built to perform. Okay, yeah, this packaging is just really professional, but you would expect that for a $20 case. Most cases now are like around the $15 mark, so it should be interesting. Let's see, it can protect their phones, it will protect yours. Again, the Spectrum Clear branding. It says 3 times military standard, has 7 patents, 570 days research, 1,300 drop tests. It says 3 meters / 10 feet, laboratory drop certified. Okay, you can recycle this packaging. ITSKINS.com, so that's pretty much all that comes with the packaging. So let's get to the actual case now. Okay, it automatically opens up and you get even more words in here. Looks like it's, I don't know what that means. HE Tech Extra Shock Drop, 2 enhanced layers of our patent hex tube shock dispersal microstructure for advanced device protection. Okay. It looks like it just helps protect against bacteria. And you can recycle the packaging. So let's get this case out. Okay, pretty simple. This does feel more heavy duty than the speaking case. Let's see what else is in here. It says please consider sharing on social media. Okay, join the ITSKINS squad today. Let's see what that's about. Let's see if anything else is in here. Nope, nothing else, just your silica gel. So to the actual case. I really like the feel of this taste. It is like a jelly type material. As you can see, it's pretty flexible, but the perimeters, they're more heavy duty than the back is. This is harder to twist and turn than the back, of course, which is really nice. It looks like there is a spot for your fingerprint sensor, and this is pretty textured. The buttons on it are textured, so it's pretty nice, but doesn't feel like the edges have any grip. But this is wet. This is like a spider web on the inside of this. The texture is inside, the outside is not textured. This is just the inside that is. Okay, of course you get your ports. I'm just gonna stick that in there, see how it feels. Okay. Yeah, that feels really nice. I really like how that feels in my hand. hard to explain what it feels like. It does offer pretty good lip protection, more lip protection than the Spigen actually. So yeah, it's a really solid case. Let's see, fingerprint sensor works just fine. It's a way bigger space for the fingerprint sensor than it is on the Spigen case. Yeah, it's just a way bigger spot right there. Let's see if you can get the stylus out easily. Yeah, still get the stylus out pretty easy. Let me try it one more time so you can get it with your nail. Let's see if the push still works, and you can still get it with the push. So yeah, stylus still can be pulled out fairly easily. Does not cover the speaker grill, or does it? So it actually does look like it covers. Or is that, hold on. Okay, so yeah, it doesn't cover the speaker grill. That's actually another microphone right there. I was thinking that was part of the speaker grill, but it's not. Your USB-C charging cable. So yeah, they put a lot of space in on the ports on these. And then there's no spot for your SD card slot. So yeah, this does feel really nice in the hand. It's pretty grippy just because of like the perimeter is just like very thick. It's not flush at all. It definitely sticks out a little bit. It does feel like way more than the Spigen case, but I believe this will offer like more protection than the Spigen case. As you can see, that lip protection is pretty intense. So yeah, this is a solid clear case for the Moto G Stylus 2021. I'm really a fan of it. If you have any questions about this case, just feel free to let me know in the comments. I will like try to update you guys if it eventually turns yellow in the comment section. Don't think I'm gonna make another video on this, but yeah, this is the type of case I wanted, and it delivers for me so far. Again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and thanks for watching.